Hi, everyone. It's Brian Kurtz with Healed by Spirit, inviting you to my next Couples Soul Connection workshop. It sounds pretty much like what it is. It's a chance for couples to connect at soul level. I know that sounds a little corny, maybe a bit overworked, but it really is a chance for couples at any stage of relationship to connect at that namaste level where the divinity in each of us is able to connect with the divinity in the other. During this process, there will be some paired up interactions where you'll get a chance to open up, get real, be authentic, to peel away the layers, which in any stage of any relationship, there may be some of those layers that need to be peeled away. Getting down to the heart of who you really are, to your soul, to your essence, to that part of you that lit up in each other in the very beginning of your relationship, that which attracted you to each other. And in the workshop, you will, over 2 hours, not only have a chance to reconnect at that magical level, but possibly be in a place you may never have been. It's a beautiful process. I invite you to have the courage to be there. The information below this video will tell you where, when, and how to sign up. I'd love to see you there. The key to the whole thing is to be willing to open yourself up, to allow the divinity that is always available to you and in you to connect with that in the person in front of you. I'll give you tools to generate that space anytime you want, with anyone, not just your partner, but for any business meeting or important phone call, or to get along more effectively with your kids, or anyone you want to have a deeper connection and relationship with. From this place, this divine place, which you contain always, life is better. Interested? I'd love to have you there. Please be there if you're moved. Thanks a lot.